Kasi I will assure you, kahit sino pang babae yung makuha mo, you will never feel fulfilled. Hindi purpose ng lalaki ang babae. Kasi ang babae, multiplier yan. They will just multiply your current life. Pwedeng for the better kung maayos na babae yung nakuha mo. Or for the worse, kung toxic na babae yung nakuha mo. Okay? So kung negative yung buhay mo ngayon, tapos nagdagdag ka pa ng babae, mamumultiply lang niya yung current na state ng buhay mo ngayon. So kahit gaano pa ka-positive yung babaeng makuha mo, kung negative yung buhay mo ngayon, wala, madadamay mo lang siya. Mandadamay ka pa ng tao, mandadamay ka pa ng buhay. Pero kapag positive yung state ng buhay mo ngayon, you're improving yourself, you're doing things that will build up your future, your kingdom. Kapag nagpapasok ka ng positive na babae din, mas magmumultiply yun, mas mapapaganda niya. So kapag positive rin yung buhay mo ngayon, tapos nagpapasok ka ng negative na babae, kaya be careful kapag nakikipag-date kayo. Kaya it's really important to get to know the person, get to know the nature of the woman that you are dating before ka mag-commit talaga. If long-term na yung ano mo, long-term na talaga yung you're looking for a long-term queen. It's important to to know the nature of the woman, yung nature ng babae before ka makipag-commit. Kasi again, one wrong woman can destroy your kingdom. Lahat ng pinaghirapan mo kaya mawala yan sa maling babae. Okay? So choose the woman who values your time, energy, and money. Okay? Those are valuable resources. As a man, we can build our kingdom, our future with that.